So I got here the first in my compilation here. The first one is from 604 News, referring about the Christmas train, and then pictures from yesterday afternoon on the way down from the eastbound trip going down. I took still shots along the way, so in order I can add to a compilation, and I got a picture of some other Norfolk Southern picture and some next to another locomotive in a yard. So it's very nice, and with the transit buses, and makes up one garbage picture of a New Westminster garbage truck on the highway just before heading back. So this is mostly filmed around New Westminster, BC, for my own part, and the other part are from other part of BC or across Canada, or from one part picture was from the U.S. Anyway, please enjoy.